Alright, it's November the 9th, and we've got a snowstorm. It's crazy. But look at this, the ducks. The hose was running, and there was a bunch of water, and of course, ducks, you know, it's snowing and it's cold, but straight to the water. And actually, the males that are in the you know, on death row here, I filled up their pools. And what are they doing in a snowstorm? Swimming. So ducks, snow and cold and water all goes together. Like, and the weather's supposed to turn. It's supposed to go to 6 degrees tonight. It's going to be a messy day tomorrow doing this call. Actually, if it's like today, we won't even be doing it tomorrow. These guys, snow doesn't faze a duck at all. Meanwhile, 5 chickens in the pen, or in the shed right now. Chickens are in the shed, hiding from this. Actually, there's a chicken. Just looking out, seeing what's going on, wondering where all his friends are. Meanwhile, they're ducks, they're looking for mud. They're actually destroying the lawn right here because I had the hose running and we had to drain it, and they're cratering the lawn right now. Hey guys, so girls and me. Look at them go. Ducks in the snow. That's what's going to be good about this winter, is that the snow doesn't faze a duck. And we're going to have lots of cool things. I can't wait. I'm going to come up with some ideas. And actually, if you want to comment below, give me some ideas. I'm game for anything. We've got a whole winter of fun in the snow with the ducks. So if you can think of anything that I should try to do, put it in the comments and we'll try to give it a wing. But they're... snow doesn't faze these guys. That's what's so cool about ducks. So that's ducks in the snow. Their first snowstorm. And I hope this doesn't stay. In this part of the world, if it snows this early like this, I've seen it stay and not go away. I've seen a heavy wet snow like this, a foot come down, and you can basically just wait till March before it's gone. April. So. Oh, the chickens, they're coming out to check what's going on here. But watch, they won't step on the snow. Oh, yeah, they're coming out. I'm surprised. Usually chickens don't like snow. Crazy weather. Considering this week how warm it was, you know, it was like 14 degrees, and I was outside my t-shirt. Oh, the ducks are back to the mud hole. They're going to destroy the lawn right there. Well, actually, that's their that spot there is going to be their future pen, anyways. When we expand it here this month. Oh God, I hope this stuff goes away. I got so much work to do yet. So that's ducks in the snow.